Hi, welcome to another video with Greenbeard. Here's a little three-beard guy I painted to hang up here. It's been a couple weeks since my last video, probably more like almost a month. So this is what I'm going to show you. First off, we're going to start with the pumpkins. Here's the pumpkin vines. They've really taken over this quarter, just like last year. And you can see it's coming. Oh, it wasn't zoomed out all the way. It's coming over here and fixing to crawl along that. But yeah, there's a bunch of flowers. But yeah, Ken, these guys are doing super duper happy. And now I'm gonna try and not be all wobbly. We've got some beets right here, 4 of them. And as you can see, oh, he ran away. I got some grasshoppers hanging out. There he is. Right there. They're not doing too much damage, so I'm letting them just be. These are regular green peppers. They're just getting started here. This lettuce I've already pulled like 5-6 times, giving them away to neighbors a bunch. There's a few peppers over here, and when we go around you'll see. This lettuce is does not want to stay up. Alright, we got the start of some more peppers here. They've lost their leaves and their flower leaves, petals. They're starting to shoot up. This lettuce is happy over here. This parsley is amazing. Look at all these peppers here. All those are jalapenos. If that grasshopper doesn't eat them. Over here, some more jalapenos. Look at the size of those guys. Got more jalapenos in here. I got a spider protecting this one. Here are some of them beautiful black Hungarian peppers. Look at how amazing the flower is. It's just so beautiful. It's pretty purples. And here are some more huge peppers. I don't know how green peppers got mixed in. These should be the Hungarian. Not sure. There's a train coming, so it's gonna get loud. Over here, you can see the potatoes have already started their dieback. They maybe have another, I don't know, a couple weeks. The tomato forest did not get near as tall as I was worried about. Not even close. But as you can see, there are a lot of peppers, a lot of tomatoes everywhere. Some red ones, some green ones. And they're all just starting. So many flowers too. This is the first one that I noticed right here. And then there is my toad that's keeping guard over this place. He's been here since I put the tomatoes out. Actually, there's 2 of them. Pretty sure they're a mated pair. This one is definitely suffering drought. It's thirsty as heck. So something happened with the bucket system on the bottom, but I haven't lifted it up to see. I'm going to see if I can bring her back with some extra special watering and care. But as you can see, some of these guys are almost ready. Yep. So that, my friends, is what I know on this side. And forgive the shakiness. Some of these hens and chicks I brought over from mom's are coming back. This is the one that survived last winter. It's got babies, as you can see. So all we do is just move them off and plant them in the soil so that they too can have little baby and make more. But as you can see, there's tons of peppers. This one's got a few. Far more than last year. These guys did not like being right next to a potato. And then over here, when I come in this way, you can see that guy starting. And then there are a couple ants, but they're not enough where I need to worry. But yeah, it's the pumpkin, the one vine and the other vine. That one I had to break because it was growing way up and wouldn't fold over. So, welcome to the beginning of August garden tour with Brian Greenbeard. Y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching and listening, and God bless you.